Hey pros, ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of links and docs? TagMyFav is your lifeboat. Picture this, you're knee-deep in a complex project and you need that one code snippet. Instead of digging through endless folders, just type a keyword into TagMyFav. Boom, there it is, like magic. Let TagMyFav's built-in bot summarize lengthy documents for you. Save time and get straight to the point. With seamless integration into Microsoft Teams, Outlook and Word, you can share bookmarks without the hassle of copy-pasting. Collaborate with your team effortlessly. TagMyFav works wherever you do. Whether you're in your browser, on Teams, or checking emails in Outlook, your bookmarks are just a click away. One user said, "Getting TagMyFav on Teams has saved my career." That could be you. Ready to turbocharge your productivity? Try TagMyFav today. Visit our website or download the free Chrome extension now. TagMyFav, your digital assistant for a smarter, smoother workflow.